So Hurricane Irma right now is going through the Caribbean, and when it was in the Atlantic, it was the strongest storm ever in the Atlantic Ocean, open Atlantic Ocean. It's still at 185 miles per hour. I've covered hurricanes for more than 25 years. This is unlike anything I've ever seen. Compared to Harvey, which we just saw last week, Harvey was a Category 4 storm. This is a Category 5 storm. This is a couple dozen miles per hour stronger in terms of winds. Harvey was a big rain event. It parked over southeast Texas for days and days, nearly a week. That's why we had up to 50 inches of rain in Harvey. Irma is not going to be as big a rain event. We're talking a foot or so of rain, which is still an awful lot, but when you compare it to Harvey, it seems like nothing. This is going to be a storm surge and a wind event. You can't exaggerate how bad this thing is. This is nature at its most fierce. It's forecast to go just north of Puerto Rico and just south of much of the Bahamas. The Bahamas, Puerto Rico, Cuba, and the Dominican Republic are all in this danger area, the cone of uncertainty. But the current track sort of threads between those islands and then comes up to around the Florida Keys. This is prime hurricane season, so always you have conditions right for hurricane. But there's a difference between conditions right for hurricane and conditions just perfect for hurricanes. And this is perfect for hurricanes. The water is not just warm, which is what you need for fuel for a hurricane, but it's extra warm. It's about 1.5 degrees Fahrenheit warmer than it normally is. Oftentimes hurricanes fight upper level winds that sort of decapitate it. There's no upper level winds out there for Irma to fight. You could not ask for better ingredients to make a killer storm, unfortunately.